Hey, this is Niranjan again, and welcome to this video in which I'll show you how to set up the video section in your agency theme. All right. So in the first two videos, if you remember, what we did is basically install the theme, activated the theme, and then we installed all the associated plugins that have been bundled into it by clicking on one single button, and then we activated it. Okay. So that's the stage we are in right now. So we have got our themes and plugins all set up, and still we do not have the the agency site complete, because we are yet to showcase the the agency video section, basically the section where the videos will be showcased. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and add those videos manually and using a quick install option, which will basically make it completely similar to the demo site with just one click. All right, this is powerful system, guys. This is very powerful, and this will literally help you get started with your agency site within 20 to 30 minutes of uploading the theme. Okay, so yeah, so what I'll do is I'll just pause this video for a sec, and I'll open up the URL so that I can show you the dashboard as well as the front end page, how it looks before and after the quick install. All right, so please bear with me for a minute. In fact, I'm going to pause this video so you won't even feel that there was a break here. Okay, so sorry about that, and we are back now. I just brought up this agency theme that we just installed, and I wanted to show you how it looks. So you've got the footer here, you've got the middle section where you mention what your business is all about. You've got a attractive slider, static slider rather, with some attention grabbing text. You've got options for logo, your number, and your email address here. Okay, now if you scroll down, the only bit that's not there is this pre-made videos, and that's exactly what I told you is what we're gonna address in this particular video. Okay, so now let's go to the dashboard. All right, once you have installed everything, what you need to do is you need to go to this option. It's called theme options. All right, so there are two ways in which you can add videos. These videos are coming from the WooCommerce part of it. Okay, from the WooCommerce plugin where you upload your products, and some of them show up here. Okay, now the thing is, you can either do that one by one, like go to WooCommerce and upload one particular video into this. I actually have a video after this which covers that, how to manually add a product to your portfolio or to your agency site. Okay, but here the idea is not to be able to learn how to do it individually, because there's a separate video for that. Here the idea is the intent of this video is to show you how to get started with your agency site quickly. All right, and it should not be too much of a hassle for you to import all the videos one by one. So for that very reason, what we have here is called quick install. All right, so go to theme options, go to quick install, click on this, and let the plugin do its magic. Okay, so now once you click on that, you would come to something like this: install templates, one click. Okay, now you have contents, you have settings. So I would suggest you could switch some of these off. I would suggest just switch it on so that you get everything updated as per the demo site, and then you can go to the dashboard and start editing the content as you like. Okay, I'll definitely show you that in the later videos, but for the time being, just leave it as is and click on the install option. So it will come up with a pop-up message: are you sure to import the dummy content? Actually, our dummy content is not so dummy, right? It's related to the topic that we have been discussed. So we highly encourage you to do this action in WordPress fresh installation. Let's not worry about this, because we already have a fresh installation. What you're working on is a new folder, and it's a fresh installation. So I think we are all good. We are not losing out on any data. So once you do that, it will take a couple of minutes to basically fetch all that dummy content and organize it into your agency site and make it look beautiful, similar to the demo content. It can take a little while depending on internet connection. So what I'm going to do is, instead of just waiting here and making the video very big without any actual content being delivered, I'm going to pause the video here, and the moment this particular thing is over, the moment it stops rotating and I have I have the site installed. I'll come back and resume this video from here. Okay, so we are back, and as you can see, once it's installed via this one-click option, you will get a message something like this, which says, please edit and change with your image, contents imported, main navigation default location is configured, theme option is imported, and stuff like that. Okay, so what this means is your website, your agency website is now configured in a way similar to what you have seen in the demo site, and you don't have to do anything manually over there apart from change the demo images, because you know the placeholders are there, but the actual YouTube videos and the placeholder images, they have to be updated nevertheless. Okay, so now if you go to this if you go to the website, you would see the basic website which would be available for you, and this is how the theme would look now. Okay, so you just have the pre-made videos, you've got this demo categories which have been built in. I do show you how to create these categories individually yourself in the dashboard in a subsequent video, but to get you started, there are these demo categories which have been built in, and you can play around with them and see how each one of them looks. Okay, so this is the kinetic ads, close-up shots, snap still pictures. Please ignore whatever is written over there because that's the dummy content for you, and this is where you need to update your videos and images. Okay, so you have the structure ready. So that's what we have covered in this particular video. We will limit it to this content wherein we have now got the layout all set. We have used one-click option. We have uploaded, so far we have uploaded the theme, uploaded the plugins, activated the theme and the plugin, and we set the video area. Okay, in the subsequent videos I'll be covering various other aspects which would include how to include your videos over here, how to include a thumbnail over here, how to connect these buy buttons to the checkout page, and all that good stuff. One of them will be connecting your PayPal account so that you can receive payment and all that good stuff. Okay, so thank you so much for checking this out. I really appreciate your time, and I really hope this helps you to create your agency website without much of a problem. And in case you get into bumps, in case you get into trouble, you know that I'm right here. You can contact me via the support desk or via the Facebook group, and I'll be helping you out. Please remember that there are certain aspects of this which is beyond the control of the theme or beyond your or my control. Okay, there are certain things like memory allocation, the PHP version of your hosting account, which affect all these installations. Okay, so if you struggle, please do not make any assumptions. Okay, please do not assume that it's a mistake on the part of the theme, it's a mistake on the part of your hosting, or any such thing. Let's be extremely systematic about our approach in setting this up. If you face any problem, reach out to me. Okay, I'll have a fair bit of idea what the problem is, because I deal with such issues again and again and again with people, and more often than not, when it's a hosting issue, it can be quickly sorted. All right, I can help you do that. I can do it for you, given that you kind of are willing to share your credentials with me, or you can raise a support ticket with your hosting support and they will be able to help you with it. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have for this video. Can't wait to talk to you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.